Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we'll explore how to use ProWritingAid to improve your writing. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to visit the website. To get started, head to the website from the link provided and click on Get Started. Fill in your details and sign up. Make sure to confirm your email address. Next, select your use case and choose your writing software. Once on the home page, click on Start from Scratch. You can either upload a document or type or paste in the text box. Your writing sample will be given a score in the right side panel. To improve your writing, click on Improvements and then Show Suggestions for the AI to suggest improvements. You can also select Structure to identify mistakes in sentence structuring. For instant improvements, select highlighted text and click on Suggest Rephrase. If you need to shorten your text, go to the Length tab, where the AI will suggest rephrased sentences to reduce your word count. ProWritingAid also offers other features like the Transition Report, Summary Report, and Critic Report to help with text analysis. Select the Grammar tab to correct grammatical mistakes, and use the Overused tab to reduce overused words and replace them with synonyms. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.